Hello everyone and welcome to the Superior Student channel. Today we're gonna learn what are consonants and what are vowels. Let's start by vowels. There are 5. Let's spell them. A, E, I, O, U. And consonants are the rest of letters. And they are B, C, D, F, J, H, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, there is a rule who says two vowels are walking, the first vowel is talking. Let's see the rule and the examples. T, T, B, B, easy, easy, ears, ears, meal, meal, road, road. Now, let's talk about consonants. How do we pronounce two consonants if they walk together? Let's see some examples. P and H. It gives F, the sound F. For example, photo, elephant, pharmacy, phrase. C and H gives the sound ch. For example, teacher, teacher, channel, channel, choose, choose, chair, chair, charge, charge, children, children, cheese, cheese. T and ION gives the sound shin. For example, information, information, national, national, communication, communication, education, education, celebration, celebration, J and H. If it appears in the last of the noun, we pronounce it f, f. like the sound F. And if it appears in the middle of the noun, we didn't pronounce it, or we don't pronounce it. And if it appears in the first of the noun, in the first part, we pronounce it G. Let's see the examples. For example, enough, enough, laugh, laugh, and light, couch, also ghost, ghost. Now T and H, it gives us the sound the. For example, they, them, them, that, that. Moreover, we can pronounce T and H th, th. For example, think, 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 nothing, nothing, 30, 30, teeth, teeth. Now S plus ION give us the sound jin. For example, vision, vision, television, television. Finally, if we see T before R, we pronounce it ch. For example, tree, tree, treatment, treatment, trouble, trouble. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video if you want to receive more courses. Goodbye for now.